Are you looking to keep your Samsung phone storage in check? Enabling the auto delete screenshot option can help. Today, I'll walk you through how to set up this handy feature on your phone. Let's jump right in. First, go to your phone settings. Then, scroll down a bit. After that, find the advanced features and tap on it. Next, keep scrolling down. Now, find the screenshots and screen recordings option and tap on it. Then, look for the delete after sharing setting. After that, toggle it on. Next, take a screenshot. Now, tap to share at the bottom. Then, choose your preferred method of sharing the screenshot. Send the screenshot to any friend you would like. After that, go to your gallery. Find the screenshot you just took. You won't see the screenshot because it was deleted after sharing. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in.